Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you in a super duper awesomely easy peasy tutorial how to charge the Beats Flex earphones. This will be an easy tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into the video. A lot of people get these Beats Flex earphones and they're absolutely awesome in so many ways, and they don't know how to charge them. That's because the charging port is so relatively discreet that it's hard to even know where to charge them, especially if you get the darker colored ones. Sorry about that. If you get the black colored ones, the charging port is going to be even more discreet. If you take a look here, there's a microphone port on this one, and you can see this is the one that has the volume control, the volume toggle. There's a charging port right over there, okay? Now the Beats Flex actually came with this charging cable. It's relatively short, but you don't need a long charging cable to charge your earphones for the most part. So what you're going to do is you're going to get one end of this charging cable right here, and you're going to plug it into the charging port right over there. Let me get that on camera. Plug it right into there, as you can see, just like this. And then what you need, and it's USB-C, okay? So that's what it looks like. It's USB-C on both sides, as far as I understand. Okay, yeah, it's USB-C on both sides now that I actually look at it and take a glance at it. So one side of the USB-C cord is gonna get plugged into the headphones, or earphones, I should say, just like that. And the other side is gonna get plugged into a wall outlet, as you can see over here. I have a USB-C sort of power brick over here. I'm gonna plug it in. And what's gonna happen is, you're gonna get an illumination of the light on the opposite side here. So not on the one that's being charged, not on the side that's being charged, but the opposite side. So you can see right over here, it's sort of flashing, now when solid. So when it's solid, it means that it's fully charged. When it's flashing, when you get a flashing white light, that means that, sorry, let me change that up. I do apologize. When it's a solid white light, as you can see right here, that actually means that it's fully charged. When it's a solid red light, that means that it's charging towards being fully charged. And when it's a flashing red light, that means that it is a low charge and you need to charge it like ASAP, basically. It's a very, very low charge level of the battery inside of the earphones. But that's it. That's how to charge the earphones. It's really, really easy to do, and I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a nice thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe to my awesome channel for more great, awesomely fantastic videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.